Sometimes the quickest way into a home cook's heart isn't with the fanciest tools, it's with a shortcut. And over the last few years, no kitchen shortcut has made a bigger impact than the air fryer. Sure, they're not the prettiest appliances on the counter. They don't have the chef cred of a cast iron skillet or the precision of a sous vide machine. But let's not kid ourselves. Air fryers have become a kitchen essential for a reason. After years of testing, researching, frying, roasting, and eating way too many French fries, not that we're complaining, we've finally narrowed down the best air fryers you can buy. We've seen the good, the bad, and the downright confusing. And in this video, we're laying it all out for you. We've rounded up the top 6 best air fryers worth your attention, breaking down what makes each one special, what features stand out, and what you need to consider before buying. You'll find product links in the description below, and if you want a deeper comparison or a handy selection tool, check out the full article at nexttech.com. First up, the Ninja SL401 Double Stack XL. If you're trying to save space in your kitchen without sacrificing performance, this air fryer might just be perfect. It's built with compact kitchens in mind, especially for busy households or those who want to simplify meal prep. This model is 40% slimmer than most double basket air fryers, which means it fits comfortably under standard kitchen cabinets. You get a choice between 8-quart and 10-quart options. And there's even a version of the 10-quart model that includes a thermometer for extra precision. The double stack air frying design is what really makes this unit stand out. Each basket comes with 2 removable racks, letting you cook 4 different foods at once. That's right, 4 layers of cooking in one unit. The Smart Finish feature makes sure both baskets finish cooking at the same time, even if they're cooking different foods. Match Cook lets you use the same settings across both baskets, ideal when you're making big batches of the same thing. You also get 6 cooking modes: air fry, air broil, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Enough to tackle almost anything you're craving. Cooking on multiple levels can take a bit of trial and error at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's a game changer. It's one of the most practical air fryers on the market, and we definitely recommend it. Next, meet the Dome Air Fryer. A great pick for people who want simple, fast, and effective cooking without unnecessary extras. This unit cooks 30% faster than many traditional air fryers. You can make 32 wings in just 15 minutes, 2 full steaks in under 10, or knock out 10 pieces of meat in only 10 minutes. That kind of speed is hard to beat. It's also incredibly quiet, operating at just 55 decibels. That's quieter than most kitchen appliances, which makes a difference if you like a peaceful cooking experience. One of the coolest features? The self-cleaning mode. You only need to use it once a month and it takes care of oil and stains. Activate it via the Typher app and it cleans itself while you kick back. This model also offers 10 preset modes, so with one touch, you can cook everything from fries to fish. It even connects to your phone, and the app has over 50 built-in recipes for inspiration. Its non-stick ceramic basket is toxin-free and super easy to clean. No food sticking, no mess. The only thing missing is a viewing window, which might be a deal breaker if you like watching your food crisp. But if you want quiet, fast, efficient cooking, this one's worth considering. If you're after something powerful and versatile that can handle almost anything, the Instant Vortex Plus XL could be your match. It's a 6-in-1 machine that lets you air fry, bake, broil, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. That's a lot of functionality packed into one device. And with Even Crisp technology, your food stays crunchy on the outside and tender on the inside, every time. One highlight is the rotisserie feature, great for making whole chickens that turn out juicy and golden brown. With one-touch smart programs, cooking meals is as easy as pressing a button. Whether it's chicken, cookies, or frozen snacks, the Vortex has you covered. It heats up fast too, so you don't have to wait long when hunger strikes. The sleek stainless steel finish adds a modern touch, and you can choose from various sizes like 4-quart or 6-quart depending on your needs. You also get access to the Instant Brands Connect app, which gives you tons of recipes and cooking ideas. The interior is easy to clean, with most parts dishwasher safe. Just keep in mind, small bits of food can fall under the tray and create some mess, but it's manageable. Overall, it's user-friendly, cooks quickly, and gives you crispy results. A strong choice for everyday cooking. Now let's talk about one of the smartest air fryers out there, the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a full-on countertop smart oven with 13 cooking functions. Air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, toast, pizza mode. The list goes on. The real game changer here is the Joule Autopilot. Through the app, you can start a recipe and let the oven guide you step by step. It automatically switches cooking modes for you, so there's no need to babysit your meal. It also has voice command capability. Just say, turn on the oven and set it to bake, and you're good to go. Perfect when your hands are full in the kitchen. It connects to an app with over 1,000 guided recipes and cooking tips. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, there's something for everyone. The stainless steel design is gorgeous and easy to wipe clean. But this oven does take up a good amount of counter space and weighs nearly 39 pounds. Not exactly portable. Still, the sheer versatility and intelligence of this appliance make it one of the best high-end options on the market. If you want an air fryer that's simple, effective, and reliable, the Cuisinart AIR200 is a great all-rounder. Available in 2.6, 4.5, and 6-quart sizes, it's designed to suit everything from solo meals to family dinners. We're focusing on the 6-quart version today, ideal for cooking bigger portions or feeding guests. You get 5 core cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm. With 1,800 watts of power and temps up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles everything from crispy wings to fluffy muffins. The digital display has 5 one-touch presets that make cooking easy, and the automatic keep warm feature ensures your food stays hot until you're ready to eat. No reheating needed. The sleek black and stainless steel look fits well into modern kitchens and is easy to maintain. Yes, it's priced higher than some competing models, but it earns its spot with reliability, good performance, and strong customer feedback. Last but definitely not least is the Kosori 9-in-1 with Turbo Blaze, built for fast, healthy cooking with tons of features. The Turbo Blaze tech gives it a serious edge. It boosts airflow for faster and more even cooking, so your meals turn out golden and tasty in less time. You get 9 different cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and more. You can even customize the preheat time depending on what you're cooking. Perfect for getting that ideal crisp. With a temp range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can handle everything from delicate desserts to high heat sears. It's got a simple LED touchscreen interface that's great for beginners or pros alike. What's more, it uses up to 95% less oil, making it a healthier way to enjoy all your favorite fried foods. It's easy to use, packed with smart features, and very reasonably priced. Honestly, for this level of functionality and ease, it's a standout. And that wraps up our list of the best air fryers on the market this year. Whether you're after speed, smart features, or countertop versatility, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest tech picks. You'll find all the product links in the description below, and for more detailed comparisons, visit nexttech.com. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!